Today, I'm unlocking the secrets of the cell cycle, a fundamental process that keeps life ticking. So let's dive right in. First up, we have interphase. This is the longest part of the cell cycle, and it's all about preparation. Interphase has 3 stages, G1, S, and G2. In the G1 phase or gap 1, the cell is like a busy kitchen. It grows, produces RNA, and whips up proteins necessary for DNA replication. The cell is doing its day-to-day chores here. Next, we enter the S phase or synthesis. This is where the magic happens. DNA replication takes place, doubling the genetic material. Imagine making a perfect photocopy of every textbook you own. Then, we move to the G2 phase or gap 2. The cell continues to grow, focusing on producing proteins needed for mitosis. It also checks for any DNA damage and fixes it. It's like proofreading your essay before submission. Now we enter the mitotic phase or M phase. This is the climax where the cell divides into 2. Let's break it down. First, there's prophase. Chromosomes become visible and the mitotic spindle begins to form. The nuclear envelope starts to break down, setting the stage for action. Next, metaphase. Chromosomes align at the metaphase plate and spindle fibers attach to their centromeres. It's like lining up your ducks in a row. In anaphase, the sister chromatids are pulled apart to opposite poles of the cell. Imagine a tug of war, but everyone wins. Finally, telophase. Chromatids reach the poles and new nuclear envelopes form around them. The chromosomes start to relax back into chromatin. And then comes cytokinesis, the grand finale. The cytoplasm divides, resulting in 2 separate daughter cells. In animal cells, a cleavage furrow forms, while in plant cells, a cell plate does the job. But wait, there's more. The cell cycle is tightly regulated by checkpoints and proteins like cyclins and CDKs. These checkpoints, like the G1/S, G2/M, and spindle assembly checkpoints, make sure everything's running smoothly. Why is all this important? Understanding the cell cycle gives us insights into cell function and helps in developing treatments for diseases like cancer. When the cell cycle goes wrong, it can lead to uncontrolled cell growth. By targeting specific phases or proteins, we can develop drugs to combat this. So, in a nutshell, the cell cycle is a complex and highly regulated process vital for growth and division. Knowing how it works is key to understanding life itself and fighting diseases. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more science content. Until next time, keep exploring.